Hey guys, welcome to the video. If this is your first time checking in, my name's Justin and this is ShedSome R6. Today we're going to be riveting my Masterlink for my chain. I borrowed a tool from a shop, so this video is going to be pretty quick because I have to get that back. Let's jump right in. Alright, so I borrowed a Motion Pro PBR chain tool. It looks like a really nice one, and I think it's gonna work pretty well for us. And if this video is a little rushed, it's just because I have to get this tool back. So there's two different tips. One has a little bearing looking thing in it, which you run that one on the tool first, and then there's this little square one that kind of smushes the rivet over the rest of the way and like flattens it out. And the PBR on the tool stands for press brake rivet, so this tool can do all of it. And what's nice about this tool is when the rivet part of it is done with the big screw, which the threads are a lot better on than the little screw. So that's one thing I'm definitely gonna have to invest in, is one of these better tools. Well, we're gonna get this done quick so I can get this tool back. I looked all over for this tool. I think I checked 8 different places, and I ended up borrowing it from the 9th place I stopped, which was a guy who knows my grandfather, and luckily that was the only reason I was able to borrow this tool, because they worked together years ago. And with this tool there's like barely any pressure to get these started to rivet. Like, it takes like nothing, and I think it's because it's a high quality tool. So I'm definitely gonna buy one of these. I believe one of these are right around $100, maybe a little more, I'm not positive. On the back side of the pin, it started pushing through just a little bit. I think we might be alright, but if not, we do have a few extra Masterlinks. I was hoping to not take too long doing this. I think that's good for that one. Now we'll get this one. And you just don't want to rivet it to the point to where the link gets tight or it splits. Which the owner of the shop that lent me this tool said that you don't really have to crank it down very hard. He said just snug basically. And then you run this square one over it just to finish it off and kind of round it over slightly. And he said not to crank it right down, just kind of tight. I'm definitely gonna order one of these tools because it definitely makes this a lot easier, and you could just tell that it would last through a lot of chains. For the cheap tools you could get through one, maybe two. And that is complete. I'm gonna spin this forward a little bit. Or actually I go down. So down here we'll be able to tell if that link is bound up or not. And I just want to double check because I do have the extra Masterlinks, and I'd rather know that it's not bound up. And I'll show you guys what I mean. So those are flared out now. And you just want to make sure that this can still move. See how that still moves? It means that it's not bound up and there's not going to be a problem with that. But so that's riveted, and that chain is now complete. And again, that is the stock DID 532 chain, and it is a very nice chain. The original one on the bike, I got 26,000. Well, I didn't get the 26,000, but there was 26,000 miles on the old chain. And then in the next video, we'll be finishing up. I'm going to work on this sprocket a little bit because one of the studs did snap out of that hub, but I got some tools to get that stuff out. But I'm going to get this tool back, and thanks for tuning in, guys. If you're liking the content, let me know down below. If you don't like the content, you could also let me know down below. I have pretty big plans for the channel. I plan on doing a lot of different things. I know it takes a little while to get started, but we're gonna get there. And if you hang in, there might be some cool stuff to see. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm actually gonna run this tool down with my dad's bike. Looks similar to my bike, but not my bike.